Hi everyone, this is Anindita from YourFirstNature, and this is our journey to a life closer to nature. In today's video, I'm going to show some damage control. During my move from Mumbai to Auroville, many of my plants got severely damaged. In Mumbai, I had a very long and lush philodendron and pothos vines. Some of them were as long as 5 to 6 feet long. But during the move, the longer vines got so severely damaged that I have to do something different in order to save these vines. I tried to cut the damaged part and keep the plants as is so that I don't have to disturb the root ball. But they were looking so bad that I decided to do it in a different way. So what I did was, all the healthy parts or semi-healthy parts, I have cut them. And this is my huge pile of all pothos and philodendron cuttings. So I'm going to take out the damaged part and propagate the healthy part. So this is the condition of my vines right now. So even if I remove these, I will still be left with very long bare stem. That's why I decided to cut all the damaged parts and only cut the healthy parts separately and then propagate them, so that I can get a very nice full healthy vine after maybe a few months or so. So what I'll do is, I'll remove the damaged part and then I will cut below the node everywhere, wherever there is a new growth shoot coming, growth node coming, or the part looks a little bit healthy. I will cut below that node so that rooting happens. So in this one, okay, this is damaged cutting. So I'll probably cut the entire stem like this. See, there are a lot of aerial roots, and some of the new growth are coming from all these nodes. So if I put them in soil, they will very soon root, and I will get another full healthy vine from here. It's better to make sure that the stems are upright. So that means when it was growing this way. See, the growth is coming out this way. So that means it was growing this way. So I will put this part, this side in the soil, and this part will be outside of the soil, and it will start growing from here. So this one already has some healthy roots. So I'm not going to do anything to this one. I'll just put it as is. Alright, now that I have all the cuttings cut, cleaned up and sorted, I'm going to put them in soil. Generally for pothos and philodendrons, I prefer water propagation method, but since I have a lot of other garden work in a very short period of time, and there are a lot of cuttings right now, so I have decided to take a little bit of shortcut and I just pot them directly in soil. So I already have a few pots filled with soil. It's a mixture of local red soil, cow dung manure and a little perlite. I would have loved to put some coco peat also, but I'm running a little bit low on resources. So right now I have no coco peat. So I was so sad to lose all my beautiful trailing plants that I bought a few of these again from Ogao and rootbridges.com. So this is my new neon pothos. This is my new golden pothos. This is a new philodendron micans. In my experience, they actually grow pretty fast, and very soon, within a month or two, they need to be moved to a bigger pot. So right now, since I bought them only last week, I'm not doing anything to these small plants right now. I'm letting them acclimatize to my home, and after the other new cuttings also start growing a little, I will put all of these together in one big pot, and they will start filling out and become long and beautiful again. So that's all for today. I'm going to end this video with a view of beautiful new monstera leaves that I have growing. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.